Let's talk about a hidden threat to your child's school support plan. If your child has a reading disability, you already know how vital their 504 plan is. Supports like extra time or audiobooks are all about leveling the playing field for them. And look, these aren't just suggestions, they're rights, backed by a federal civil rights law. It's a law called Section 504. It basically says schools have to support these students. And these rights were hard won. People actually protested to get this law on the books. But now that very same law, the one protecting your kid, is being challenged in court. Okay, so the case is called Texas versus Kennedy. What's the deal with it? Well, it's a lawsuit from 9 different states trying to weaken Section 504. Texas is leading the charge, and these are the 8 other states that have joined in. But here's the twist. This case isn't directly aimed at schools. It's about healthcare rules. Right, but it attacks the exact same law that your child's 504 plan is built on. It's kind of like a house. If you weaken the foundation, the whole building is at risk. So while that's a future risk, there's a much more immediate problem families are facing. See, when a school doesn't follow the plan, parents can go to the Office for Civil Rights. The problem? That office is in a total crisis. It recently lost about half its staff. And because of that, they dismissed about 90% of the disability complaints they received. The number of cases they actually got resolved, it dropped by 2/3 in just 1 year. So what does this mean for you? Getting federal help is now way, way harder. So you've got 2 huge problems converging. First, the legal threat to the law itself. And second, the agency meant to enforce that law is basically falling apart. So yeah, your kid's right to an audiobook is tied to the same law being attacked in court. These are not separate issues. They are connected threats that are closing in on your child's rights. Now that you can see the connection, it makes you wonder, how secure are these rights?